Welcome back to our Excel Shortcuts Masterclass Part 2. And what we are going to do, we have already learned that we can press Alt on our keyboard and we can quickly see that the top toolbar has been given the alphabets. Now we have to move to the next level, and for that demonstration what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to copy some data here. That is not necessary, but I just have to activate the paste. So I'm just copying some data, and then I will press Alt on my keyboard, and then I will press H to go to the home tab. And now you can see that the paste dialog box has a shortcut of V mentioned here, so I will press V, and then in this dialog box there are all the paste options. You can press any of the alphabet that you need, but I just need paste special for this demonstration, so I will press S for now. I will press S, and you will see that Excel has given us this dialog box. And in this dialog box you will notice something very interesting. That is, with all the values, with all the options, you will notice that one alphabet has been underlined, and that is basically Excel tooltip for the keyboard shortcut. So for example, you can see that for the first one, all, A has been underlined, for the second one, formulas, F has been underlined, and for the third one, values, V has been underlined. So what we need to do is that if we have to use this shortcut, we will press Alt on our keyboard, and then I will keep it pressed, and I will press, for example, A or F or V for whatever I need to use. So if I need to navigate to values for now, I will keep pressed Alt and I will press V, and you can see that I have navigated to the values. Let us go to the validation now. You know what we'll have to do? We will have to press Alt and then N. Let us do that. I will press Alt now, and then I'm pressing N, and you can see that we have quickly moved to the validation column. So I will go back to values, Alt and V. You can see that I have selected values. Similarly, you can select these options as well. If I have to transpose the data as well, I will have to press the Alt and keep it pressed, and then I will have to press E. So I'm doing that now, Alt and E. So you can see that we have also selected transpose this way. So I will just uncheck this now. I will press Alt E again, and this has been unchecked. So this is basically the tooltip of keyboard shortcut in Excel. So Excel will guide you for the keyboard shortcut all the way, everywhere. You can almost do everything in Excel using your keyboard. So I think that tip is something that we really need. That is very, very helpful. So I will press OK now, and you can see that my values have been pasted here as values. By the way, that was we were not just trying to do anything. We were not just trying to paste anything. It was just for the sake of demonstration. So I will just do one more thing quickly. I will show you the same thing again. So I'm selecting these two columns here. So I will just create some blanks for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm just creating some blanks here, and now I will press these two columns here, and I have done it. So Alt and then H to go to home panel, and then you can see that I have to go to this find and select, and the tooltip for find and select is FD. So I'm pressing FD on my keyboard now, and you can see that all the different options have been given a letter. So I need to go to special, so I will press S on my keyboard. Here I will press S, and you can see that my go to special dialog box has been opened, and with all the different functions available, Excel has given me a tooltip, and that is one letter has been underlined. So I need to go to this blanks here. So what you need to do is you will be pressing Alt key, and then you can see that for blanks we have to press K. I will press K now, and I will press OK. So you can see all the blanks have been highlighted. I will press 0, and then I will Control Enter, and my function has been completed. So that is the beauty of Excel, that Excel has given the keyboard shortcuts everywhere, and you literally don't have to memorize any keyboard shortcuts.